Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're doing the next release in the premiere series, Rowan. So that's the box it came in. And we will not use a sharp object, or we will not tell people we're using a sharp object to open this. Rowan came with a wild mane and tail, or with a braided mane and tail. So for tack making purposes, I picked, oh, it's so pretty. I picked the braided mane and tail. Let's see. Get this open. In his bag, I think it's a him. Rowan, not Ronan, Rowan, R-O-W-A-N, Rowan. Is that like Rowan, a boat type of Rowan? Came with a certificate of authenticity. And now the bag. The bag, come on. He's very long. All right. Carefully cutting that. The anticipation's getting to me. Come on. So far, he looks good. There's no obvious damage, so he made it through the mail okay. All right. Is it 3 times a year? I really look forward to this. 3 times a year. Oh, wow. All right, I love the color. That's a really good color. Yes. Oh. Okay, I'm in love already. Love that. So it's a cob, right? Is he a Welsh cob? Okay. Doesn't say. Read. The British Isles are home to many different pony breeds, many of which have trotted across their mountains, moors, and valleys for centuries. Even in the fully mechanized 21st century, it's not an uncommon sight to see these ponies grazing the grass in the countryside, sometimes living in a semi-feral, even feral state. These ponies are collectively known as British native breeds. One of the largest of the mountain and moorland ponies, the Highland pony, traces its roots back to its namesake Scottish Highlands. Okay. Highland pony. Well, I knew it was a pony. Ponies have, it's not really their height, but it's just something about their face and their legs that makes them pony looking. Right? So I was once told it's that a horse, its body length and its leg length are the same, but with a pony it's shorter. That could be. But there's just something about the face too. Anyways, I digress. Oh, how lovely. Beautiful for tack. I wonder what size tack. Are you going to be pony? Are you going to be a T2 or are you going to be a T1? Oh, look at that face. Can you see that face? Look at that. Really good. You got the brown, the black, a little bit of white in the corners so that it doesn't look like it's scared out of its mind. So I think they laid down the white and then did the black and then did the brown and they left a little white in the corners. That's so much better than the, you know, where they do the huge you know, and the horse looks like he's scared. Oh, that's nice. Sturdy too, not wobbly. Not gonna fall over. So that's lovely. Let me find a saddle. Don't go anywhere. Let me find a saddle. Okay, so these are saddles I've listed on eBay, and I think you're going to take a full-sized. So this is a T1. That means big ass saddle. It would work. I think it looks a little big. That looks big, so that's a T1, and then this is supposed to be a T2, so it's 15% smaller. Oh, that's much better. So yeah, these are saddles I have for sale at my eBay store. I have sets and everything too. Definitely gonna be the T2 pony size. You can obviously go smaller, but I would not use a full size 1/9 scale. I'd use the one that's 15% smaller, which I call a T2. And even the girth would fit with a T2, so. Oh, it's gonna be my new showboater. Awesome. Okay. So I like having models to show off the tack on. And I'm trying to get more modern models. Some of them I've had for a while, and I think people remember them. All right. Beautiful. So Rowan is a Highland pony, and that is a she. She is beautiful. Good, I'm glad, because I don't have enough mares in my collection. All right, so thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel. Have yourself a really good day.